Stop your ass. As you know, my mouth was really hot. I got done eating some hot Cheetos. Nothing's inside the bag. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing Emmanuel Hudson Ratchet. I'm gonna be doing Ratchet.
What up, what up? This your boy Emmanuel and Hudson. Follow me on Twitter at _coach and my little brother at feeling myself. All right now. And today, this video is finna talk. I'm finna tell y'all about how Ratchet girls. So we're just gonna play the music.
Oh my god, who the hell come out the house looking like that? I'm gonna turn up on the party or something. She was doing good. OMG, what do she got? She her legs frontin', she rich. Your phone. I'm gonna take this couple picture. Got it. I'm gonna put this on Twitter. Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. Boy, black, now it's them shoes on. Ooh, I just wanna punch her in her face. I can't stand her. Ooh, she's too fat. Girl, let me tell you what I got my missing. Girl, what a baby boy. They came with a sister. Girl, yeah, I'm pregnant, but I still live because I'm in the middle of the flow. Don't you whistle. I have to get cute today. I'm about to get rebel and have to keep me look at my baby that just made the hit go kiss you today. Bet you do Tuesday. Just one check in Tuesday. Got the tracks yesterday. Girl, you can do it. Don't beat it up. Mood check. With the 15th, I got my food check. Got a brand new pistol. Brand new tech. $95 for the weed plus tax. Put it that little white paper cup. Go and have this cake along. Thinking that you better than I am. What did you think you was? Whatever, she alive. My number, what lie? What's wrong with you? Be quiet. Hey girl, you look good. Turn around and get it up here. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Bye. OMG, what do she got? Oh, she ratchet. Her legs frontin', give me the phone. I'm gonna take this picture. Got it. I'm gonna put this thing on Twitter. Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. Boy, pop, not with them shoes on. Ooh, I just wanna punch her in her face. I can't stand her. Ooh, she's too fat. My name is Emmanuel, but my girlfriend call me Carl. We get together and be funkin' and we drinkin' and we party. Yes, I am the best, but you can't have this boo-boo. Sorry, cause you changing my future, baby. That more we got the judge just found. Jury has matched my crack sound. Bow, king, dark skin. You know like Lorenzo. Just look in my picture. You Abby got this. Hit me up on Facebook and follow me on Twitter. I'm with Team Flip Phone, Team Chris Brown. If she don't shut it up, then it's Team Shut It Down. I'm with Team Bad Chick, Team with your man. If you got a lot of money, then it's Team getting paid. But you stand, I mean, you might as well spend it on me. I'm on my job. Why you want to be rich? Girl, oh my God. OMG, what do she have on? She ratchet. Her lace front is all on. She ratchet. Give me the phone. I'm gonna take this helpful picture.
Because she ratchet.
I'm gonna put this thing on Twitter.
You know you ratchet.
Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
You ratchet.
Boy, pop, now with them shoes on.
She ratchet.
Ooh, I just wanna punch her in her face. I can't stand her. Ooh, she's so fat.
See, Ratchet. Ain't she look good with the leopard skin? What she gonna do? Leopard skin. Yeah, Ratchet. I said, that's what she gonna do. I got it.
That's it. Bye-bye.
We got to video.